What is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight, and I actually have some news for you guys today. If you guys do not know about the Z community already, I have talked to you a lot about them on this channel and what they do and what they're about. But basically what I'm here to tell you today is that the Z community is going to be in the greater Seattle area. So if you're in the area and a fan of the ZT devices, they want to meet you. I want to meet you as well because I will be heading out there and I will be at this meeting as well. So it would be really awesome to see people out there that love ZT devices just as me. And if you want to hang out as well, there will be food, drinks, and prizes up for grabs as well. Now the ZT meetup date is actually going to be on April 28th, 7 to 10 p.m. So that is April 28th, 7 to 10 p.m. So if you guys want to come hang out, have a good time, talk about ZT devices, maybe do a little bit of a meet and greet, that would be really awesome if you guys could come out. Make sure to use the link in the description down below. Space is very limited, so if you guys want to go ahead and RSVP, use the link in the description down below. But yeah, hopefully I can meet some of you ZT fans out there. I know a lot of you have some very good things to say about ZT and very good ideas as well, so hopefully I can see some of you out there April 28th, 7 to 10 p.m. This has been TechRight, guys. Hope to see you there. Peace out.